Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reset keyboard dictionary on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to the general options right here, so just tap on it. Once you're here, just scroll down to the very bottom so you see the transfer or reset iPhone option. Just tap on that, and here you will need to tap on the reset option here below. Once you've tapped on that, you will see these options, and what you need to do is just tap on reset keyboard dictionary. It will prompt you to enter your passcode, so just enter it. And here, if you confirm the reset dictionary button right here, it will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory default. So what you just need to do is just tap on that and it will be done. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.